As of now, smart door lock has been more and more used in social households, so how could we select it properly? Now I'd like to introduce 5 series of smart door locks next. Number 1. Smart locks for apartment. It's mainly used for hotel and apartment, which unlocked by password. And locked by lifting the handle of lock. Remote authorization, Bluetooth unlock. Conveniently solve the common problems and improve the efficiency of hotel management. Number 2. Indoor smart locks. It's mainly used for office and shopping mall, which unlocked by fingerprint in 0.5 seconds and locked by lifting the handle of lock. Moreover, it has anti-peeping function for password inputting to ensure better security. Number 3. Smart locks for profile door. It's mainly used for doors of house, with transparent wall or roof, and thermal bridge. Profile doors. Number 4. Glass door smart lock. It's mainly used for office building, residential house, etc. It has the functions such as no need glass holes for installation, rapid recognizing for fingerprint, unlocking by password and options of checking for work attendance. Number 5. Smart lock with big size handle. It's mainly used for office and shopping mall with the combined functions of handle and smart lock. It can be unlocked by fingerprint along with reminder by weak light. The door can be unlocked by without door knob rotation after turning key to opening position, and locked by turning the key to closing position. The indoor knob can directly close the door. With good security, elegant and scientific appearance as well as novel product structure, we believe there will be always one type that meet your demand.